Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to use Autopilot with Robinhood. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply use the Robinhood API, and then you're gonna have to use third-party tools or bots that will allow you to connect the API because Robinhood doesn't have this option integrated into their system, so you can't auto trade directly, but you can use third-party apps or bots that will basically trade for you, so you can add different filters. But that is kind of risky in my opinion, and you could lose all your money if you are a beginner, so I don't really recommend you to do that. But if you want, you just need to simply get the API, and as you can see, the official API isn't publicly available, but so many bots uses unofficial APIs. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.